Hello guys, good afternoon. I receive a lot of emails having a question um, that is always in the minds of trader. So they ask me a question, oh my stock go down, what should I do? Okay, in the market when you buy a stock, there are three things it can happen to this stock. Either it goes up and you make money, it can go down and you lose money, or it can trade through a range. Okay, a range, it means, let's say a stock is $20, it can go to 21 or 22, and then it goes down to 19, and then it goes to 18, then it goes up to 20, 21. It means it stays like this for 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or many years. Okay? So, since the stock, in order to go up, there should be someone who is big to buy. It's not just small fluctuations. That's why when you go to search for stocks, most of the time this what you call a zigzag stock, means goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. This, most of the time, you can't make that much money from these stocks. The stocks that you can make money is the stock that are trending or just begin to trend, and these, there are ways to find this kind of stocks. Now, as the opposite, penny stocks, like stocks from $5 and down, these, because the volume is so low and the price is so cheap. No, I'm not saying cheap, but it's the real price for the company. Okay? There are some people, they can manipulate the stock. Okay? It's easy. If you have some money, you can manipulate the stock. That's why, for me and for my subscribers, for my viewers, I ask them always to be careful with this penny stocks. Okay? Because a beginner always hopes that the stock will give him a good performance. And when he searches for the stocks with big performance, he doesn't find any stocks except penny stocks. Okay? But these penny stocks, they are very risky. As they go up, they can go down. If you see a stock that was $1, it goes in one day to $2. Now, food from $2, it can go to 50 cents or 10 cents the next day. So understand that there is a big risk. Now, if you like risk and you like scams and you like pump and dump schemes, okay, just go ahead and gamble with your money. You can make one time good money, but the other time you lose a lot of money because the market takes your money again, because all this stuff is manipulated. Those people who manipulate the stock, who are professional traders and they have subscribers and they ask them to buy this kind of stocks, okay, they know what they are doing and they do it for many years or many decades, and they make money. They make money not from the real market, but they make money from the beginners who don't know what they are doing, especially penny stocks. Now, manipulators, they can't go to big stocks like Facebook and they do manipulation. They can't, because Facebook, for example, if it trades 50 million shares, 50 million by $82, you see how much money? It's billions. You should have someone has billions in order to move this stock. So these kind of stocks, big stocks, a lot of even big traders, they can't move these kind of stocks because they are big, and that's why in general they are safer than these penny stocks. But a lot of people, when they buy a stock, they hope and they predict that the stock will go up. Now for me, what is my idea about stocks? The idea is, I have a way to do business. I buy stocks according to certain criteria. Okay. Now when I buy stock, I don't predict anything. I don't hope. I don't say these stocks will go up. I will never say that. And I will never say that that tomorrow or these stocks will go up or go down. No, I would never tell that. Why? Because I know the market. I don't know what tomorrow will happen. So how can I predict the future? Most of the time, I don't predict, or almost of the time, I don't predict. So you ask me the question, why you buy stocks according to your strategy and you think, or you don't hope that they go up? Because I don't use prediction. Prediction, it means when you buy a stock, you predict that goes up, okay, in order to make money. So this prediction is based on hope and luck, okay? So you can't start a business of trading and you hope that you make money, okay? So when you hope and you base your trading on luck and hope, what does it mean? And prediction, it means you don't know what you are doing. Now I give you another way to do the business better than prediction and hope and luck, is to start a business. When you buy stock, never think it go up or go down. Okay, be neutral. Neutral, it means zero prediction. Okay, and what's next? What's next is the stocks that you buy, they go up, it's good, you are making money. The stocks that you buy, or one stock or two or three, wherever you have, if they go down, you should calculate the stop loss. And I have made before an ebook, but I see that most of the beginners, they in general, they don't want to learn something that's boring. Say, oh, how can I begin to calculate things and calculate stop loss and here and there and ways? I'm not into that. I'm not into calculating anything. I want just a stock, I buy it, it goes up, I make money. No, this is like, I'm not saying it's stupid, but here you are just gambling. You don't calculate expenses, because when you lose a trade, it is an expense in your business, okay? And you make money, it's a profit. So when you buy a stock and you lose some money, this is an expense. It's as if you have a company or you have a store. Let's say you have a store. Let's say you have a restaurant, and you are the general manager of the restaurant, but you have some people who work for you, who make the food, and cashiers, okay, to get the money from customers. Now these are expenses, okay? It means you lose money because you give to these guys, but these guys helps you make the money, okay? So in trading, it's the same. There are some trades that you lose money. Losing money is not something abnormal or bad in trading. It's a normal thing. I always lose money, but in the overall, I make money. So you tell me how? Because some trades I do, they are very good. I make a lot of money. Now, some stocks that go down, I calculate how much should I lose, and if they hit the stop loss, I am okay with that, because I know beforehand that if the stock goes to that price, I'm out. Why? I don't want to have a big losers. If you have big losers in your trading, believe me, you will never become a professional trader. Professional trader doesn't allow a lot of expenses, a lot of money lost like this. I give you an example. You buy a stock at $10. You put $5,000. Okay? All $5,000, you put it, and the stock is $10. Now you buy the stock, you don't put stop loss because most of the beginners, they don't put stop loss. And he began waiting for the stock until it goes up, but it didn't. Instead, it's going down. It's going down, it's going down until $5. So how much you lose? You will lose 50% of your money. It means $2,500. You will see that it is lost. When you open your account, it is in a big red numbers. 2,500 is lost. And you still keep this or hold this stock. You say, no, this stock will go up. So here, what you are doing, you are trading on emotions and feelings and hope. How can you run a business with hopes and feelings? Okay? When you see the stock is going down against you, it's danger. There is maybe someone big, a big guy, a hedge fund, he has billions of dollars. He goes to the stock and he shorted it because he wants to make sure that this stock goes to $1. From $10 to $1. And you are keeping your stock, and the value of the stock goes down. Okay? So this idea of stop loss and this idea of you should learn how to calculate stop loss, this is an old idea. It is from the beginning of the market. People use it. Now, you shouldn't use stop loss in investing. It's true, because investing you stay long and you have a plan where to exit, either with a profit or with a loss. Okay? So, but here I'm trying just to explain swing trading and day trading, mostly swing trading. So there are a lot of people of you try to see your trades that you have done beginning of this year or last year. Some of your trades, if you lose too much, like 10%, 20% of any trade, 30%, 50%, you are crazy, man. You are giving money to the market for free. If I ask you, give me $2,500, like this, you bet on something, you will never give it to me. Now, why? Because you say, why I give you money? But in the market, you go, you buy a stock, $10, it goes to $5, and you lose, let's say, from $5,000, you lose 50%, which is $2,500. You give it to the market. Why you give to the market for free, and you don't give it for others or for charity or you don't give it for free? Or you say, no, $2,500 just give you free? Oh no, I will not. But you go to the market and you give it for free. So you ask yourself, what's this problem that you have? You have in your mind, you have some psychological, you have some what we call some wires, you know, the wires, minus and plus, these nerves that are in your head, they touch and they make electricity in your head, and then you lose money. Okay? So from now on, try to have fresh ideas. Try to change your mindset. Change. If you don't change, the market will crush you. What does it mean? It will crush you. It means it will take your money because you give it to the market. Or you say, no, I don't give it to the market. The market, I bought a stock, it goes down. Okay. So why you stay too long until the market takes all your money? Now, if you use common sense, you will become a better trader. But you are not using common sense. You are using feelings, emotions, hope, and lack. And with these four things, emotions, feelings, hope, and lack, these four things, you will never become a professional trader. And think of this. Trading is a business. It's like any other business. You should control what your expenses. Okay? Suppose that you have a restaurant and you don't make that much money because you give too much money to your workers. Okay? Let's say people, they give $10, you give them $20 an hour. Okay? Because you like but when you give too much of the expense, the profit, this expense take from your profit, and then by the end of the month you have nothing. Okay? That's why companies, when they have trouble, they cut expenses, they fire people, they don't give raises. Why? Because they want to survive. If they don't do that, they will have problems. Okay? It's like you. When you want to invest or you want to save money, but you are not a saver. You always spend all your paycheck. How can you invest for the future if you spend all your paycheck? Okay? So think about trading as a business, and when it is a business, you should make a plan. You plan for the trade. You know when to buy. You know how much price. You should put stop loss. You should follow the stock. Okay, if it goes up, you are making money. It's very, very simple. It's no brainer, as they said. You buy a stock, tomorrow it goes up, you make money. You stay many days, you make more. This is in general. Okay? Now, don't be scared of the market. The market gives rewards to those people who know how to trade. Okay? The market, or what you call the trend, will be your friend. Maybe you have heard this. You will be your friend because you know how to trade. You are not scared of the market. But when the market is against you, okay, you should respect the market. It's like when you go to a train and you stay between the tracks of the train, and the train is coming to you to crush you, and you say no, the train will stop and it will go to the next direction. Man, it is not going to the next direction. It's going to you and will crush you. Okay? But some people, they have this idea of hope and lack. Oh no, the stock will go down a little bit and then it goes up. Who tells you that the stock will go up? Has the market send you an email or a fax, or someone from the market calls you that we are stopping this and we're going up? Or you slept, okay? You sleep and you dream that the stock will go up? Or you have religious beliefs that some enlightenment comes to you each day and you know which stock is going up and which stock is going down. Okay? So try to use common sense. Just this, common sense. Stock going up is good. You are making money. So going down, exit the trade. By calculation, I don't say to you it goes 10 cents or 20 cents, you exit. No. There is certain calculations that you should do, and when you understand the business, you will be better. It doesn't mean that always the stock doesn't hit your stop loss, because the stock hits your stop loss is a normal thing. Okay? Whatever you put stop loss, it can be hit. Even the price is $10, you put stop loss at $5, at 50%. But if you stay many months, it can go there and it hits your stop loss. Okay? So stop loss is just like an insurance. Okay? When you have an accident, okay, the insurance company will cover this accident and give you a new car or fix your car. It means because you have insurance. Okay? But if you don't have insurance, you lose everything you have. Because I have lost money before. So when I speak to you, I don't need that you remind me always. Some people, they say, oh, I have lost this, I have lost before. Okay? I have lost money before. That's why for me it is so clear. Okay? In doing business, I should see my expenses always. I don't let a small loser, to become a big loser. I don't allow 50% of my money in a trade. This is crazy. I don't know how the people, they do that. Okay? You have $10,000 in a trade. You give the market $5,000 for free. You stay 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and the stock is going down. Now it will go up. Okay, wait the next day. Wait the next week. Wait next month. Wait the next year. Some people even they don't know the difference between swing trading and investing. Oh, I have read from this guru online or from TV or TV show that hold on this stock. Okay, the stock has lost 50%. No, don't sell. If you sell, you lose this money. But hold on it. It will go up. But who tells you? If someone knows the future, this guy will never be in the TV. If he knows the future of the stock market, or someone knows, he will make billions of dollars each year, and he will be the richest man on earth. But believe me, no one knows the future, and the future is not now. When it becomes now and it becomes the past, we know. So we only live for the moment, for now. I know now what's happening in the market. I can know the past because it is the past. But the future, 2 minutes, 5 minutes in the future, I can't predict anything. And in my strategy, we don't predict anything. Don't. Okay? Because when you predict, it goes up and then it goes down. What you should do? You stay and you hold the stock, you will lose a lot of money. Okay? So this idea of losing money from stop loss is a normal thing. But the beginners, they are scared to lose money. If you are scared to lose money, don't do trading. Okay? Do another business. Go to your job and you are paid by hour. You work 1 hour, they give you whatever money they give you. Okay? You want that? Okay, go to that. But if you want to risk money, you should go to trading. Because sometimes, believe me, sometimes you have $10,000. You put it in a trade, and after a few days, you will find it 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 15,000. You do nothing. Just the market gives you money because you are right. Okay? So this is great in the market. Market gives money always as a reward to those who understand the market. Now, if you don't understand the market will punish you. Okay? Sometimes it gives you small rewards and you are happy with that. But later, this reward, this profit, he will take back from you. Why? Because you can't preserve your money. And this is, I'm not saying a problem for beginners, but the only thing I can say is that you should learn. There is no a shortcut. Some people, they want just something, strategy just in 1 day or 2, they learn and they become professional trader. You can't. Because this trading is a business, you need a long process. Because you need to know a lot of things. You need to experience loss and profit. You need to use techniques in order to make money. Okay? And maybe some people, other people, they have a wrong idea about performance also. Someone tells me, oh, I have $5,000. I want more $1 million. How many 1 year or two I can have 1 million? I say, okay, I am not making millionaires here. If you have $5,000 and you find someone who tells you become millionaire, go to him or to her and he will make you millionaire. Okay? So for me, I don't. For me, I'm trying to make what? My goal is to make responsible traders with strategy that works. It needs time, yes, but at the end you will succeed if you continue and you make it work. Okay? And it's only by you that things will change. No one will change you directly. You should process things in your mind, and then when you are okay, you begin to process information and you begin to change the bad habits that you have. You should stop them and make new habits. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Comment if you have any question, thumb it up, or subscribe if you don't. Thank you very much.